Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Just thank you so much to all my new subscribers, and if you'd like to comment down below, please let me know where you're from because I really do love to hear from you guys. So tonight's video is this concrete planter. Could not be simpler. I absolutely love it. Excuse all the mess in the background, but yeah, this is going to live on my bookshelves. And oh my goodness, it is such an easy one, guys. If you'd like to see the process, please keep watching. So everything I'm using in this video is right here. I've got the plant that I showed in my previous video. Got this from the garden centre. I've got my container left over from Christmas. I do always keep these. I've got my quick set cement, an old jug and an old bowl to mix it in. I've got my lollipop sticks to hold the plant in place and the glue gun to stick these together. And that's pretty much all you need. When you're making one of these, I think, you just need your mixing bowl, your container and your cement and whatever plant. So the first thing I am going to do is cut this down. I only want it to come probably halfway, and I'm cutting it down just to make it easier to poke the plant inside, but I'll get the scissors now and I will go ahead and do that. I'll cut just above halfway, and I don't want to fill this up. I want it to come to about here so that I've got just enough to be able to see it and poke the things through in there. The next thing I'm going to do is just make a kind of a bracket with these lollipop sticks. I'm going to glue all of them together like so and put glue under each part. And once it's one solid piece, I will take it off and just pour the concrete in before putting this back on. So now it's time to mix the concrete. I've got everything ready. I've got my pot ready and I have got my thingy ready for the top to stick the plant through the middle. But yeah, so everything's ready. I just need to mix the concrete now, and because this is a quick dry, I need to act fast. So this is 3 parts powder to 1 part water, and I've just used these melamine cups that we've got. I have added a tad bit more water than I need because I think that's going to give me a little bit of extra time to work with it. And I've also got my spoon ready. Now remember, you need gloves and a mask for this. So, follow the rules, do not copy me. I'm holding my breath. Okay, so that is 1. 2. 2 3/4. So because I've got extra water in there, it will give me even more time to work with it. Okay, I am going to transfer it into the jug just because I feel like it's going to be easier for me to pour into the container that I want it in. Now I'm going to transfer it into the container that I'm going to use. I feel like a big lump just went in there. Right, here's the concrete in. So I'm going to shake it up a bit. I'm going to just speed this up for you guys because you don't need to hear this noise, but this gets all the air bubbles to the top apparently. Okay, I've shaken that up for quite a while, so now while that is setting, I've got a few minutes to play around. It's a 10-minute set, but I am going to just hot glue the edge around here just to stick. Might have been better to probably just stick it down first and go under. I want the plants to be coming completely central out of there, so I'm just going to put a dollop of hot glue to hold this in place while it's setting. And then I can push the plants down inside. Okay, so now I've done that, I'm actually going to rip some bits off of this so it comes on this really thick stem and it's just too thick. So I'm gonna just basically pull individual pieces off like this, and I'm gonna wedge them in, but I'm gonna do it once I've got them all off. So I will go ahead and tug at them as much as I can. Okay, I feel like this is setting pretty quickly, so I need to act fast now. I'm gonna just shove them in straight into the center and hope. Guys, it's setting really fast. So I want to just go ahead and shove these in before it's too late. Because what I don't want them to come out of the side. I don't want to be able to see them from the outside. Oh, I'm nervous. This is setting so fast, this stuff. So I'm just gonna shove them in. And push them down in there. Now I just need to go get a cup of tea and come back in around 10 minutes when this has completely dried. Okay, I've left this for about 10 minutes. It is rock hard, it's piping hot, and these are pretty stuck in there, which is exactly what I wanted. So I am just gonna rip these off. So I don't need them there anymore. She says. Everything sounds so much easier than is. Oh, okay. So I can see some air bubbles, but I can see that this is, yeah, it's about as rock hard as it needs to be. So I am going to rip this off now and hope that it comes away nicely. My theory is that it will. Or it won't. I don't have the easiest ride with concrete, honestly. Here we go. We are getting there. Oh, am I out of shot? I'm in shot. Oh, would you look at that? That is absolutely hot. Look at this. I am always so shocked with how smooth. I don't even need to sand this one down. Can you see how smooth that is? Absolutely stunning. Stunning. Oh my goodness. Happy. Right, so if I place that down there now, you will see it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to let that rest for probably another 20 minutes or so. Then I'm going to probably go and place it on the shelf because right now it's so hot. I can't even explain how hot this is. You just have to try it to understand the heat that comes out of this. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. So, right, another 20 minutes and then we'll crack on and put it on the shelf. Okay, so that has dried sufficiently. I don't know if you can see it in a better light in the living room. It is as smooth as marble. I probably won't even sand it down, to be honest. But yeah, so here are the bookshelves. Now my plan is I'm going to get a chair. Right, excuse the videoing angle, guys. I'm just going to get a chair and I'm going to place it up here. Right here on the edge for it to hang down. And I'm going to scan back and see what you think. What do we think? I absolutely love it. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. So if I scan back in the living room, that's what it's going to look like hanging off the bookshelves. Now, I could have it here, anywhere. But yeah, that's where I've got it for now. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. And I hope you've enjoyed this and see how easy this is. So yeah, I will write a list of everything I used in the description box down below, just to let you know the prices, I guess, the cost of it. Sometimes things are cheaper to buy, but then you don't ever get to say, you know, that you made it. So sometimes I do like to make things, even if I know I can just pop into a generic shop and just buy it. But absolutely try this one out, guys. It is so easy. But yeah, have a look in the description box down below. If you like my content, please do subscribe. If you're wondering about the bookshelves, I will explain it. I've got an up and coming house tour and I will talk about what I've got on the bookshelves. But yeah, you know, these are just some DIYs. But yeah, Please like, comment and subscribe, but please do comment because, you know, I love hearing from you, and let me know where you're from. I want to know where you're from, and I will see you in the next video, and thanks for watching. Bye.